So there's nothing funnier than a scammer that claims to be the goat of credit repair because they know how to do an illegal credit sweep. Listen, sweeping things off your credit is not the right way and it's not the legal way to fix your credit. But scammers use this method because they have no real knowledge about real legal credit repair. You don't need to be filing false police reports and you don't need to be filing false FTC reports. Eventually, they're going to start investigating this stuff. The data breach method, they're buying and selling our personal information for monetary gain without our written consent. All these methods are 100% illegal and you are committing fraud. Unless somebody stole your identity, signed up for these accounts, and now they're on your credit report, you are committing fraud. Again, there's a right way and there's a wrong way. Go, yeah.